Good morning, Airhead. I'm Mariah Bernardo.
And I'm Elizabeth Blansky.
Today is Friday, January 15th, 2016.
Today's lunch choices are cheese French bread pizza, pepperoni French bread pizza, chicken fajita, chicken Caesar salad with whole wheat dinner roll, fruit variety, and vegetable variety.
Happy birthday to Victoria and Miss Peterson's class, Thomas and Miss Peterson's class, Andrew and Miss Pageant's class.
The cheer of the week is Sassy Sparkles.
Good morning, Girlhead. I'm Nia Johnson, and I am here with some amazing news. We have some new rules called SOAR. S, safety. Safety means when you stay safe. To be safe outside, you stay in boundaries. You use playground in a very good way. You stay non-physical. And in class, use pencils how supposed to be used, and you sit on chairs correctly. In the hall, you walk safely, you keep hands to yourself, you look in front of you, or some kids do it, hugs and bubbles. In the lunchroom, you keep your food to yourself. O, ownership. Ownership means when you own up to somebody or something. In class, own up if you copied somebody's test. Or own up if you lied to a teacher. Own up to your grades. Outside. Own up if you were not playing right. Own up if you said something wrong. In the lunchroom. Own up if you shared food with another student. Own up if you did something wrong. A, achievement. You finish something and you feel great. Specials class. In art, you finish a piece of art. In STEM, you finish an activity. In music, you do the thing you need to do. In class, you finish a test and you feel great. In class, you finish writing an assignment. Respect. Respect means when you talk to your peers in a nice way. Talk to them how you want to be talked to. In class, you listen to the teacher so teachers can teach and students can learn. Outside, you use materials as supposed to be used. In hall, you not touch artwork and etc. Stay quiet in the halls so students can learn. Thank you, Arrowhead, for listening to my special report. And have a good day and SOAR.